That annoying check engine light just popped up again, and this time it is telling you your oxygen sensor is having trouble staying warm. Code P0054 means the heater circuit in your downstream oxygen sensor for bank 1 is showing too much resistance. This code applies to pretty much every vehicle made after 1996, including brands like GMC, Mazda, and Isuzu. The oxygen sensor has a little heating element inside it because it needs to get very hot very fast to start measuring exhaust gases accurately, especially during a cold start. When you first turn your key in the morning, the PCM sends battery voltage, usually at least 12.6 volts, to this heater to get it up to operating temperature. If the computer detects that the electrical resistance in this circuit is higher than it should be, it triggers the light. You might notice your car takes a bit longer to start, or you see some black smoke from the tailpipe because the engine is running in a lean or rich condition while it waits for that sensor to wake up. When I am troubleshooting this, the first thing I do is a visual inspection of the wiring. Since these sensors are located near the exhaust pipes and heat shields, the wires often get burnt or frayed against sharp metal edges. If the wiring looks good, check the fuses and the relay that powers the heater circuit. A blown fuse is a classic sign of a short to ground. If the fuses are fine, use your digital voltometer to test the resistance of the sensor itself at the connector. If the ohms are way out of spec, the sensor is done and needs to be replaced. Just make sure you do these tests while the engine is cool, as the heater is only active before the engine reaches normal operating temperature. It is a straightforward fix that will get your fuel economy back to where it should be and keep your engine running smoothly.